Hey guys, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can reset our password in Westpac. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, click on the web browser and search Westpac. Then click on the first link appeared on your screen, which will lead you to its website. Then click on sign in to mobile banking. Then you will see forget customer ID or password. You have to click on that. And now click on password. Now Westpac will ask you for your customer ID and your date of birth to find your account. Be sure to enter them correctly and click on next. After clicking on next, you will be guided how to reset your password in Westpac. Enter the asked information and follow these steps. Your password will be reset. So this is how you reset your password in Westpac. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.